Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically follow up with customers after they buy from you. Using ManyChat's free automation, first you need a way to know when someone purchases. If you use Shopify, you can connect it to ManyChat for free. Otherwise, you can ask customers to message you their order confirmation. In ManyChats, go to the Automation section and click Sequences. Click Create Sequence. We'll name this Post-Purchase Follow-up for the trigger. If you have Shopify connected, choose Customer Makes a Purchase. If not, you can use a keyword trigger like order when a customer messages you. Once the flow is triggered, add a send message step. This is your first follow-up. Send a simple thank you for your order. Message immediately next. Add a delay step. Set it for 2 or 3 days after purchase. After the delay, add another message. This time, ask them if they're happy with their product and if they have any questions. You can add a final delay for 1 week and send a message asking for a review or feedback. Save and activate your flow. Now, every time a customer buys from you, they'll automatically get this helpful follow-up sequence, and that's it. You've just built an automated customer care system for free. If this helps you keep your customers happy, let me know what you're selling in the comments. See you in the next one.